Hey everybody, it's Dr. Noah from the Family Chiropractic Center of Bayonne, and welcome to my Saturday morning Instagram and Facebook Live session. You know, I've suffered from seasonal allergies since I was a teenager, and every year I get a little bit better and better at managing them, and hopefully I'll get to the point where I totally eliminate them. And I've integrated a few things in the last year or so into my life that's definitely improved my allergic or allergy or seasonal allergy symptoms, and I wanted to share them with you all for sure today, this morning. You know, there's four things I talk about this all the time that have had the greatest impact in my life up to date, health-wise, of course, and that's chiropractic, yoga, the primal paleo lifestyle concept theory, and for the brain tap meditation headgear that I really use to help me get into a different meditative state to help me meditate, basically, because I have a hard time quieting my mind. And one of the benefits of being on the Beyond Your Wildest Dreams podcast and being part of that think tank is that I get to interview these people who create or innovate these biohacks. And I try lots and many things, and at times I integrate the best of the best into my life, like the Aura Ring, the Brain Tap, the Joovv Go that we're going to talk about in a minute. So it's really fantastic. And like I said, the things that make the most impact into my life stay in my life and become integrated into my daily and weekly, monthly routine. So I want to talk about two things that I believe have definitely impacted my seasonal allergies. The first thing is Restore. Restore is it's basically a ancient dirt water that was created by Dr. Zach Bush that comes in two forms. One, a nasal spray, and a liquid that you can drink. I use both. That helps set up your different biomes, your microbiome, the nasal biome, ear biome, eye biome, to express a better level of health. Research papers recently have shown that they close and help heal tight junctions in the stomach, reduce IL-6, which is an inflammatory marker, help protect your gut lining from things like gluten and glyphosate. So it's really a neat product. So the best way to get more information about Restore is to listen to my podcast that I did with the creator, Dr. Zach Bush. That was March 19th, 2018 on the Beyond Your Wildest Dreams podcast, and there's a link directly to the site where you can pick that up as well. The second thing that I use for over a year is the Joovv, Joovv. The Joovv is photobiomodulation or light therapy, and there's enormous research that shows how important light therapy is. Think of light as food for the energy creating substances in your body, and that's the mitochondria. And light can have profound impacts on your biology, whether it's testosterone levels, sleep, collagen production. I use it basically to sleep and to help keep a youthful appearance in my face, in my life. But I have a tabletop one. I shine it on my upper body and my lower body every single day. And then if I don't have time, or I'm on the go, or my kids need some light therapy because of an injury in sports, I use the Joovv Go, which is the handheld one, which is fantastic, goes anywhere with you. So I can't recommend the Joovv enough, and their site is great as well. So again, here's the places where you can check out the Joovv. There's a link in the show notes for sure, or the comments. And you can also listen to the podcast I did with one of the founders, Scott Nelson, and it's on the Beyond Your Wildest Dreams podcast, October 8th, 2018. So I highly suggest you check out these two products and the information, because I can't explain to you every and all the benefits on this short little Facebook Live, but check it out. Have a great day. Be awesome and never unawesome. It's time for me to see a couple patients. Bye.